Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change highlight color opacity in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and I will change this highlight color opacity and make it transparent. Click on this comment option and this right sidebar. Here you will find this properties option. Click here. Now click on your highlight and select. First select this highlight icon. Now click on this highlight and select, and this is transparency option and make it increase decrease and see this. Also make this highlight transparent and this one also. In this way you can change your highlight color transparency and see this. Also you can apply new color if you want and see this one also you can apply new color and make it transparent, and this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.